Hello and welcome to Guaranty RV here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to introduce you to the Winnebago Sunova with its 6.8 liter Triton V10 Ford engine. It also packs a 6-speed automatic transmission with hydraulic automatic leveling jacks, a little bit on the outside. I've got the components, the cabinets open for you so you can see the massive amount of storage that these carry in the basement. We've got little pockets of storage. You've got your battery, automotive coach circuit breakers, a little bit more luggage capacity. And if we can get our camera guy to look down on straight through, you've got pass-through storage. A little bit more pockets, plug-ins for when you're out on your patio or in here. And as you can see, when you're on your patio, one of the unique things about this coach is its entry. Most of them go in through the cockpit. They've designed this so that when you're in and out, barbecuing, got some beverages you need to go after, you're going right into your kitchen and you've got covered entry. You've also got the entertainment system on the patio side wall, directly next to your propane, so that you can have your barbecue out here as well. These doors are made sturdy to be slammed shut, just like that. Well, this one needs shut. And they're called slam jacks. More storage. And slam them shut. Here on the back, you'll notice that you do have access to the roof. The ladders are attached to studs behind the wall. You got your window in the rear in case you happen to back into a nice spot with a view of the lake or something right out of your bedroom. Bedroom slide, and you'll see how big that makes it look when we go inside. Your generator in there, oh sorry, closed the door too fast for you, is a 5500 Cummins Onan. Outside shower, access to all of your tanks and your cleaning system. More storage. And of course they make these doors open like this so that you don't have to worry about them opening upwards when your slide is out. More storage. You can take just about everything with you. We've got cameras on your mirrors on the side here so that you can see that view. Nicely decorated for that. Full view mirror or window with your fans to keep the defrost off. Nice looking rig. We'll go inside. And as you can see, like I mentioned, you go right straight to your kitchen. You don't have to worry about getting too much of the floor messed up if you drip any barbecue sauce on the way to the picnic table. Come on up here and you'll see the cockpit has a nice large screen for viewing your backup camera and your side view cameras, also navigation, radio. It's the information center here. Passenger has a nice desk that they can use while you're traveling. Also cup holders, really nice little meth lights on both sides. This is a really amazing idea. You've got some real good space for having guests over. Your table's going to go in the middle. It's what those holes in the floor are for. If you decide you don't want this couch, you remove these cushions and it easily folds away down to the floor and these push in. Very ingenious. I love those guys that design these things. They're pretty amazing. You've got your cozy couch when the table's put away and you can all just sit and relax, watch the fireplace or watch the football game. Going into the kitchen, you'll see a very sturdy 3-burner stove, convection microwave, Lots of storage space, once again, in your kitchen. It's pretty well equipped for everything you need. A double sink, stainless steel. And these guys are awesome for coupling as cutting boards. Plenty of storage and nice deep storage. And over on this side, creme de la creme, a 4-door refrigerator by Norcold. With an ice maker. A lot of people want to know about that. Coming into the bathroom, your guests are here and you don't want your bedroom part of the bathroom. You can put your privacy doors intact, and then of course your guests can close this. You got your shower with its own light, and I'll show you that in a minute as soon as we're done looking at the bathroom. Porcelain toilet, lots of elbow room, very important when you're on long journeys. And over here the shower again. It's nice to have some light so you can see everything you need to see. And to the bedroom. You got your awesome king-size bed. One of the best features of this is going to be being able to put it up at night so you can comfortably read a book or watch TV. Lots of reading lights, access for each person. It's a pretty neat option. I want one of these in my house soon. Then we've got extra closet space in here. Nice deep cavernous closet space. Day-night shades. When you close these, by the way, during the day you can see out, but they can't be seen in through. And you've got your light blocking shade as well. Another nice deep hanging closet. It's nice how they put this up here so your hangers don't move. Another TV and more deep drawers. And this is the basics of this Winnebago Sunova. I hope you come down and take a personal look at it, and please call me. My name's Teresa.Plett, and I'm at 253-886-7253. Thank you.